Guys, 59 days till Thunder Beach. Yeah, that's right. Thunder Beach is back at Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson. And we're only 59 days away, guys. I'm back here with a pre-owned piece of our inventory. This is a 2012 Dyna Wide Glide. This beautiful bike that you see in front of me has a 103 cubic inch motor. It has a beautiful stage 1 intake and exhaust. The downswept or street sweepers, if you will, from Vance Hines. In addition, you've got your front and rear custom dynamics turn signals. Super loud, guys. A lot of fun to ride. You've got your semi-hard, semi-soft bags attached. A beautiful 21-inch spoked, laced front wheel. You've got some 12-inch bars on here. This is a great first bike for someone, and it's priced to sell, guys, right here at Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson. Come on down, ask for myself or any one of our qualified sales consultants. We'll get you out on a test ride and get you home on this beautiful machine. I'm Kramer, and I'm in your corner. See ya!